Good morning, my dear student. Today we are going to understand another type of those questions we have learned in last video. Those questions are totally based on the formula. Now these questions are also based on law of exponent, but there is some kind of different because a particular composite number is given. We have to factorize it and write down it into the power of exponent. यानी कि इसमें एक कंपोजिट नंबर दिया होगा, उसको हमें प्राइम फैक्टराइज करके पावर्स के रूप में लिखना होगा. जैसे कि इसमें 64 दिया गया है, तो इस 64 को सबसे पहले हम लोग उसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. कैसे? 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 12, 2 8 जा 16, 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2. तो हाउ मैनी 2 आर वी गेटिंग? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can write 64 2 to the power 6. Okay, now since we know a to the power m to the power n is equal to क्या? What? A to the power m n. So similarly this can be written as 2 to the power 6 into 1 upon 2. Now here it is cut down 3. So what we get? 2 to the power 3. You can write answer only this. If it is required, you can write down 2 to the power 3 means if it is possible to expand it. Suppose if there is a power of 31, so it is not possible to write down or calculate the 2 to the power 31 because we have to multiply 2 31 times. That is not possible. Then we can put our answer as it is. Otherwise, if it has small power, that means calculative power, then we can write down proper answer. Like 2 to the power 3 means 2 to the 2 to the 4 to the 8. That means 8 is the answer. Got my point? Now look at the next question. 125 to the power 1 upon 3. So first we have to prime factorize 125. So 125 can be prime factorized like that. 5 5 to the 10, 5 5 is 25, like that manner. That means we got the factorization of 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. That means 5 to the power 3. Yes. So we can write it 5 to the power 3 to the power 1 upon 3. Okay, again the formula is become a to the power m to the power n. So basically it becomes a to the power mn. So we can write this 5 to the power 3 into 1 upon 3. Cut it? What got? 5. So what is the exact answer is? 5. Okay. Similarly, if this question is like that, 125 to the power minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3. What could we do in this case? In this case, we should first write proper way. 5 to the power 3, 125 can be write down like 5 to the power 3 after doing prime factorization. Okay, now applying same formula. A to the power m into n is equals to a to the power mn. Okay. So it become 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 upon 3. ये कट गया. It become 5 to the power minus 1. Now 5 has minus 1 power. So we already know one of the formula in which a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. Okay. So we can write it like 1 upon 5 because here 5 is a to the power minus m. It can be written as like that. Another formula, if it is written like that manner, a to the power minus m, we can write b upon a to the power m. That means जो माइनस पावर है ये कन्वर्ट्स होके प्लस हो जाएगी, अंदर लिखा हुआ फ्रैक्शन रिवर्स हो जाएगा. ओके ओके. नाउ one of the question based on this formula we can solve, like if it is asked 5 upon 7 to the power minus 2. Okay, so what should we do first? First, since a upon b to the power minus m is equals to b upon a to the power m, so it become 5 to the power 7 minus 2 is become 7 upon 5 to the power 2. So we can write it 7 into 7 upon 5 into 5. That means 49 is equals to 25. Got it? Now come to the 32. We can write down 32 like that. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. Okay, how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5. That means 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. 2 upon 5. Okay, 2 to the power 5 into 2 upon 5. This one got 2 to the power 2. That means 4. We already know a to the power m into n, a to the power m into n, mn. So same formula we can use in this method, and this answer would be come. So thank you so much.